After the Samsung Galaxy S24 series hit the market, there's been a lot of buzz about the possibility of a Fan Edition version coming next. But now there's word going around that the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition might not make its debut this year. You see, Samsung has this habit of releasing Fan Edition models every other year. It's like a pattern they follow. Just look at the past few years. They roll out the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, then skip the S22 Fan Edition, and instead launch the S23 Fan Edition. So if they stick to this routine, it suggests that the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition might take a rain check for now. However, while Samsung hasn't dropped any official word on the S24 Fan Edition, the rumor mill is churning. A leaker by the name of Orksta spilled some beans about it. According to Orksta, Samsung is cooking something up for sure. They spilled some details, hinting that the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is in the works. Apparently, it'll come in two flavors, one with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, and the other with an EXO's 2400 processor, just like its big sibling, the Galaxy S24. This is a step up from the weaker processor used in the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. But that's not all. Other tidbits about the phone are floating around too. It might sport a 6.1-inch OLED screen and beefier 4500 mAh battery, which is bigger than what the S24 packs. That could make it one of the hottest smartphones of 2024. Storage-wise, it's expected to offer two options, 256GB and 128GB variants with UFS 4.0 and UFS 3.1, respectively, along with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM. Now, while the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is likely to share many features with the S24, it's also expected to cut some corners to keep the price tag friendly. So, while the anticipation for the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is palpable, we'll have to wait for Samsung to spill the beans officially. Until then, let's take these leaks with a grain of salt and keep our fingers crossed for some exciting news from Samsung. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, peace out. The Galaxy S24 series has garnered significant attention globally, breaking pre-order records in many countries. Samsung reported a double-digit increase in pre-orders compared to previous models. Recent data reveals that the sales of the Galaxy S24 series have exceeded those of the Galaxy S23 series since its release. According to a report from Counterpoint Research, global sales of the Galaxy S24 series are 8% higher than those of the Galaxy S23 series. In South Korea, sales of the Galaxy S24 are reportedly 22% higher than its predecessor. Western Europe, including France, Germany, and the UK, saw a 28% increase in sales, driven by robust pre-order demand. In the US, sales of the Galaxy S24 series surpassed those of the Galaxy S23 series by 14%. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the most expensive model in the series, accounted for 52% of the total sales. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus made up 27% and 21% of the sales, respectively. The Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra are the first Samsung phones to come pre-installed with AI-powered features. These features include real-time language translation during messages and calls, web page and notes summarization, and generative AI-powered image and video editing. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts advanced features and materials, including a titanium frame, glare-free Gorilla Glass armor protection, and a powerful camera setup. It features a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. The phone can record 8K 30 videos and has a built-in S Pen. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 series comes with One UI 6.1, featuring smoother animations on the home screen. An update to One UI Home version 15.10.1.3 offers improved animations, particularly when opening and closing applications. While users can manually install the update, it's recommended to wait for the official release to avoid potential security risks.